Welcome to Skogafoss, one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Iceland. If you find yourself stuck in Reykjavic with nothing to do, find yourself a rental car and drive 2 hours southeast to one of the most beautiful places in Iceland. But once you arrive at Skogafoss, there's plenty to do. You can walk right up next to the massive waterfall and take a shower in its glorious waters. If there are any hikers out there, there's an incredible trail that goes up the waterfall and north for 12 miles. My friend Tyler did this hike and said it was one of the greatest hikes in the world. And me and him have been on a lot of great hikes. And for those of you who can't hike too far anymore, just hanging out next to Skogafoss is more than worth it. With views of the mountains, the valleys, and the black sand beaches, Skogafoss is a place you won't want to miss. And until we meet again, take care.